If you're on iTunes, you might run into this problem occasionally. So here I've got Noel Gallagher. He's a member of Oasis. I'm going through my albums and I can see I've got my album set up here. Looks good, looks good. And then all of a sudden I run into this situation where I don't have an album cover for this album here, Chasing Yesterday from 2015. So if you don't have an album cover, you can add it pretty easily inside of iTunes. What you want to do is make sure that you know where your base files are that are sitting in your PC, in your personal computer. So for example, I'm on my personal computer here and I'm going to scroll on down and I'm going to go to my Noel Gallagher folder where I've saved my Noel Gallagher files, and I'm going to go into my Chasing Yesterday folder and I can see I've got my sound files all here, and then I have a JPEG file that's my cover. So what I need to do is tell the computer to go to this file path in order to get that image file. So inside of iTunes, I'm going to go up here to my cover. I'm going to right click on the blank image and I'm going to click on Get Info. This is going to give me now my information inside of iTunes. So I've got my details about the actual album, and then right here, I've got my artwork. You'll notice there's nothing here. So what I want to do is I want to add artwork. I'm going to click on this button right here. Now I'm going to go through my music folders. I'm going to find my Noel Gallagher folder. I'm going to find my Chasing Yesterday album, and you'll see there's my album cover. That's the JPEG file from earlier. I'm going to select it. I'm going to click Open. There's my album artwork. I'm happy with the way that looks. I'm going to click OK. Now you may run into the situation where it doesn't update right away. What you would need to do is click outside of that artist. So you go into any other artist and then you click back in, and you'll notice now suddenly it's there. So it's just a weird quirk that I've got. I don't know if it's like that for everybody's computer. So there it is. I've now got my album set up with my album cover artwork. Another thing you can do that's really cool is you can go to this website, albumartexchange.com. It's a free website. You do need to register for it, but once you are logged in, you can type in any album cover you want. So for example, one of my favorite bands is Kiss. I've typed in Creatures of the Night, and we'll see I get my Creatures of the Night album, but check that one out right here. This is an import album from Japan. And so you can get different types of album covers that come up. Here I've got 24 different album covers. I can scroll through and I can pick different looking albums or also different resolutions for the albums as well. So if you've got different soundtracks or imports, sometimes they're in the Album Exchange as well. It's a really cool website to check out. To download the album cover is pretty easy. You just simply click on it. You can see there's the album cover, and then you can click Download Cover right there. You can update iTunes, and you can also have some fun looking through album covers. Here's another video where you can have some fun for free.